People ask me, Rico, that's me, Rico. Rico, tell us, who is best football player in whole world in history? They say Pele. Pele, magnifi player, huh? Maradona. Wow, great. Maybe George Best, Bobby Charlton, Cristiano Ronaldo, Leo Messi. Yes, players. But I say, people, listen to Rico. We no have complete list, because one person never be player, huh? I tell you who this is. This is Simon James Townsend. Repeat after me, Simon James Townsend, huh? You know this person? No? Not surprised. Simon James Townsend loved the game, huh? And he loves the game. But when Simon was growing up, he no have lack of scout coming to his matches. Only the Minestrone brothers, huh? Only they. And what do they know about football? Not a lot. Simon wanted to play for Manchester United, his beloved Manchester United, and he should have made the grade, huh? But at the time, Manchester United have good players. Beckham, Neville 1, Neville 2, Paul Scholes, Nicky Butt, Ryan Giggs, all these players. And even William Prunier had matches in Manchester United, but not Simon James Townsend, huh? So I say, you're looking for full list of great players in football. You add Simon James Townsend to football history, and then we talk, okay? For the moment, I say, Simon James Townsend, huh? He should be a player, he should make it as Manchester United player. So, ask me this question when Simon James Townsend, repeat after me, again, Simon James Townsend become great player of world football. That's my view. That's Rico. That's me, Rico. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.